Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So for today's video I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. This is my first makeup tutorial, so I'm very excited right now. Anyways, so for today's tutorial I'll be doing a smudge-proof summer makeup. The reason being because summers are already here and we tend to sweat a lot during summers, because of which our makeup gets cakey and smudgy. So to avoid such kind of situations, I'll be sharing with you what all products you have to apply and what all you have to avoid to get that flawless base and that smudge proof makeup. So without waiting, let's get into the video. So firstly I'm gonna apply face mist. This mist is from Body Shop. After that I'll moisturize my skin with a lightweight moisturizer. Now the first important step, that's applying SPF. I'm using the Photo Stable SPF 40. It is very important if you are going out in the sun. Now I'll quickly prime up my face. The primer I'm using is from O2O and I'll just leave it for 5 minutes to set. Now firstly I'll just use a lipstick as a color corrector and put it over the darkest part of my face. Then I'll conceal it using a very light shade concealer. Not exactly the light shade, but the one that exactly matches my skin tone. And will apply it on all the places where I did color correction. And yeah, don't miss to conceal your eyelids as well. Now I'll just set my concealer using a banana powder, and the one I'm using is from Me On. It's very important to set your concealer using any loose powder so that it doesn't create those creases under your eyes. Since it's a daytime look, so I'll use a very light shade eyeshadow. And I just dust off the remaining banana powder that's under my eyes. Now the product that you have to ditch is your regular foundation, and instead of that go for a lightweight stick foundations, and that has a oil control property in that. The one I am using is an oil control foundation stick from Me On. The reason I go for a stick foundation is that in case I sweat during the daytime, it doesn't smudge out. After blending my foundation with a damp sponge, I'll just quickly complete my eye makeup. I would suggest if you could try a waterproof mascara and liner. Now instead of going with those powdery and shimmery blushes, I just go with some cheek tints. And at last we'll do the final touch up, and that's it. There you go. Okay, not the last step. The last step is to put your makeup fixer so that your makeup stays on your place, and that's it. So that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys like it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.